Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use absolute reference in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table. As you can see, it has customer name, quantity, price, sales and tax. And I have created a tax amount, how much tax we are putting. So we are putting 18% of tax. So let's calculate. So I'll type equal to and I'll select sales, then I'll multiply with the 18%. 18%, so I have to make it absolute. So in so it will not move any rows and column to another place, so the value will not get changed in another rows. So to make this absolute, what I'll do is I'll type F4. Then if I do F4, as you can see here, the R5 is freezed now, and if I press enter here, so the value is popped up. And if I drag here till bottom, so as you can see the R5 is freezed, and now Q8 changed to Q9. And let's see here, I press escape. Let's see here, the R5 is freezed, and the value Q9 changed to Q10. So to freeze and make it absolute, so what we'll do use is we use F4 to make any value freeze, so that the calculation will not get unmatched, and it matches as per the requirement. So this is the way of using absolute command in an Excel sheet. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.